Today I'm going to be rough forging the lever handles for the latch. I'm making the handles from a 6-inch piece of 1/2-inch square bar. I'm using a pair of dividers to record the first offset. It doesn't have to be an exact measurement. I'm just estimating an offset that's a little bit longer than the bar is wide. So it's roughly 3/4 of an inch, but if it's longer, it doesn't really make any difference. I just need to record it with a pair of dividers so I can duplicate it on the next handle. And then I just work that transition down to the final bar thickness. This part of the latch is the lower end of the handle that actually attaches to the latch mechanism. And I'm just getting ready to punch the hole that I'm going to use to attach the handle to the latch. If you're trying to punch a fairly large hole in a narrow bar, the only way to do it is to start off with a rectangular punch. The perimeter of the rectangular punch that you're using needs to be fairly closely matched to the diameter of the drift that you'll eventually be using to size the hole. So now the round punch is just reshaping the rectangular hole into a round hole. So that draws the ends of the bar in so that you're left with a basically circular section that has an even amount of material all the way around. So you can see why I needed to start with an elliptical shape to get where I wanted to be. In this heat, I'm just going to refine that shape a little bit. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because this is all going to get ground or filed to shape it later anyway. Here I'm estimating how much material I'm going to need to forge the upper end of the handle. I'm just concentrating on the section of the bar that's going to connect the two ends of the handle. When that looks right, that's the measurement I'm going with. And again, you need to make 2 of these, so it's really important to keep track of what you're doing so you can have the 2 of them come out fairly similar. Now that I know where my transition points are, I can start forging the rest of the handle. There's going to be a 90-degree corner between the lower half of the handle and the upper half of the handle, so I'm leaving an offset here to give me enough material to make a nice transition for that corner. And don't forget, you need to make 2 of these, and they have to be mirror images of each other. So when you're forging the second one, have the first one close at hand so you can refer to it, and make sure you turn the handle in the right direction. Hi, I'm Dennis, and thanks for watching. If you liked this video, by all means give it a thumbs up. If you want to support this channel, you have a couple of options to do that. The first, of course, is to just subscribe. Secondly, if you have any suggestions or photographs of things you'd like to see on this channel, send them along and I'll do my best to turn them into a video. If you want to lend your financial support, you can do that in a couple of ways. First, if you're interested in making an ongoing contribution to this channel, just click the Patreon icon and it'll take you to my Patreon page, and you can donate whatever amount you feel comfortable with. If you want to make a one-time contribution, just go to my channel homepage and click the donate button in the banner. So thank you for your support, and with your help I'll be doing this for some time to come. I'll see you next time.